Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open a modern browser and navigate to Gmail. To get started, sign in with your Google account so you can access mail, contacts, and settings. Once signed in, make sure you know where the left-hand compose button and search bar are located because you'll use them immediately. If you don't have an account yet, click Create Account and follow the prompts. Use a strong password and add a recovery email for easy account recovery later. Click Compose to write a message, add recipients, a clear subject, and use the formatting toolbar for emphasis. Once done, use labels and stars to categorize messages and create filters from settings to auto-label, archive, or delete messages as they arrive. Make sure to use the search bar with operators like from, subject, and has, attachment to find messages quickly, because Gmail search is faster than manual sorting and saves time when you need a specific file or conversation. Before you finish, configure notifications and your signature in settings so outgoing messages look professional. Enable offline mail if you need access without internet. Once done, sync Gmail with desktop clients via a map or set forwarding rules when required. If messages fail to arrive, check spam, filter rules, storage quota, and your connected app's permissions. Often a full drive or an aggressive filter hides mail. If problems persist, sign out and sign back. Then reload the page to refresh authentication tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.